Yo, what's up everyone, here is me, Max, and today we are playing Disassembly 3D. I played this game before, but I haven't uploaded to YouTube. No, I have. And if you don't know, it's the TV destruction video. And now we're gonna play inside. So, we have a microwave here. Really? And I put a C4 on the microwave. And I heard the microwave is indestructible. 1 minute. Loud. Okay, attention. Okay, that did not did anything. Okay, that absolutely was useless. Even the screen is still working. Oh well, now I cannot do anything with it. Back to the glass. Oh my god. Okay, so that was cool. Now let's try maybe a fire jet. Here, so we have a fire jet. Okay, that did not do anything. That was weak. Oh, didn't work. Oh, well, let's try another one. Let's play helicopter! Let's play a helicopter. So this is a helicopter. Looks cool. So let's put 4C4 in the same place. Then we turn it to slow-mo, okay? Maybe I have to turn off the slow-mo. So let's try the game again. I don't know why I'm scared of ads, but there's no ad in this game. Crap. 3 and 4. Let's go back to this place. Turn it to slow-mo. Wow, this is cool. Video I